Hi, welcome to Rocket Health Tips. In today's video, we will talk about how to gain weight with natural foods. Everyone is talking about losing weight these days, but there are those who need to do the opposite, and that is to gain weight. Those who need to add more muscles or mass to their skinny frame might be hitting the dinner table every few hours, but aside from this, you also need to choose the right kinds of food to go onto your plate to see a few pounds added to your current weight. Please note that watch the entire video to get full details about how to gain weight with natural foods. Also, make sure that you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest health tips and videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1 we have rice. Rice is relatively cheap and it can also help you gain weight as it packs up to 130 calories per 100 grams of serving. Just add a generous amount of rice every time you eat can help you gain extra pounds. What's more, rice also contains a generous helping of vitamins and minerals which you will also need for your weight gain plan. At number 2 we have peanut butter. Another food that you should include in your diet to gain extra pounds is peanut butter. Spread some on your whole grain bread to enjoy its salty taste and gain protein too. A toast with peanut butter already contains 200 calories, so you can imagine how much you can gain if you have some for breakfast or snack. At number 3 we have tuna. Don't forget about your health when gaining weight, so make it a point to add fish to your diet like tuna. Aside from protein, tuna also contains essential fatty acids and oils that your body needs to function at its peak. It's relatively quick to prepare, especially the canned ones, and can be incorporated into various dishes as well. At number 4 we have whole milk. If you want to gain weight, swap your skim milk with whole milk that contains high amounts of fat. A glass of whole milk can deliver up to 60 calories plus essential nutrients like calcium and a host of vitamins and minerals that can help strengthen your bones, hair, and immune system. At number 5 we have eggs. No, you don't have to chug raw eggs just to gain weight, but you can prepare some omelette or sunny side up if you like to get protein, choline, and other nutrients to help you build some muscle mass. Just make sure that you don't eat too much in one day because your cholesterol level might go up. Eating eggs 3 to 4 times a week will do. At number 6 we have real meat. Having some steak once or twice a week might sound like an indulgence, but you will need to do this if you want to see your weight go up. When buying steak, the more marbled it is, the more fat it will contain, which is what you need to look for when you're trying to gain weight. These are just a few examples of foods that are actually useful when it comes to increasing your weight. Not only are they delicious, but they can also deliver important nutrients to your body to help you develop more muscles while providing you with vitamins and minerals to boost your overall health. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these health tips, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.